Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today, we're diving into the Moomoo tutorial for 2025, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the Moomoo trading platform with confidence. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you up and running in no time. Step 1. Setting up your Moomoo account. 1. Download the Moomoo app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. 2. Sign up. Open the app and tap on Sign Up. You'll need to provide your email address or phone number, create a password, and agree to the terms and conditions. 3. Verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, process. This typically involves uploading a government-issued ID and a selfie for verification. 4. Link a bank account. To fund your trading account, link your bank account by providing the necessary details. Moomoo supports various funding methods, including ACH transfers and wire transfers. Step 2. Navigating the Moomoo interface. Home screen. Here you'll find an overview of the markets, including major indices, trending stocks, and news updates. Watch list. Customize your watch list by adding stocks you're interested in. Tap the plus icon to search and add symbols. Markets. Explore different market sectors, gainers, losers, and more. This section provides a comprehensive view of market movements. Trade. Access your trading dashboard to place orders, view positions, and monitor your portfolio. Discover. Stay informed with the latest news, analyst ratings, and community discussions. Me. Manage your account settings, access customer support, and view your account details. Step 3. Placing a trade. Select a stock. Use the search bar to find the stock you want to trade. 2. Tap Trade. Once on the stock's page, tap the Trade button to initiate an order. 3. Choose order type. Select from various order types, including market, limit, stop, and more. 4. Enter quantity. Specify the number of shares you wish to buy or sell. 5. Review and confirm. Double-check your order details and tap Confirm to execute the trade. Step 4. Utilizing advanced features. Paper trading. Practice trading strategies without risking real money. Access this feature from the Discover tab. Stock Screener. Filter stocks based on various criteria to find potential investment opportunities. Level 2 data. Gain deeper insights into market depth and order flow. Options trading. Trade options contracts with comprehensive tools and analytics. Educational resources. Enhance your trading knowledge with tutorials and courses available within the app. Visual guide. For a more detailed walkthrough, check out this comprehensive video tutorial. Feel free to explore these features and make the most out of your Moomoo trading experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy trading!